Back to Rima with that.
Okay, so we thank this audience. You guys have been great, and we especially thank our three experts and guests who've joined us today. But today we also need to, give a word of thanks to the Nifty Millionaires. So let me invite the CEO of Nifty Millionaires, Mr. Prateek Patel. So can we have you on the stage? A big round of applause for him. So Nifty Millionaires was, I think this is more for you because all these guys know about it. It's been there, I think, for 4 years now. You've got, what, 40,000 registered users? Yes, and what's the philosophy behind Nifty Millionaires? Yeah.
Yes. So at Nifty Millionaire, after working in 9 years from last in stock market, that what we realized that mostly everyone knows that what to buy, what to sell, but what major problem we analyze with our customers that they are not able to do the discipline execution. Because what happened that if you buy a stock at 100 rupees, it goes to 110 rupees and it again come to 105 rupees. Then they think that there is a mental accounting, right? So there is a mental loss of 5 rupees. And when they see the 110 price, they exit it. So that is a winner, they should not exit, but in loser, they keep holding and holding. So at Nifty Millionaire, our focus is to convert that 5% audience, like success ratio, to make it a 75%. And in last 3 years, we had done a lot of work on a psychology part, that how to make them overcome this all, like you have mentioned, this fear, loss aversion. We had done a lot of work in that side. So in our Nifty Millionaire Club, after 3 years, we have around 40 to 42% people, those who are doing exactly what we are doing. So if we are getting a 30% return, they are almost getting 28% return. So before that, if I talk about we are getting 30%, they are getting minus 20% return. So there is a, like in Peter Lynch, we all knows that they had mentioned after the retirement, then they had seen the data that how much people actually made the money out of my fund. So when he see the data, he was shocked. Only 2% people had made the money. After making a huge return as a fund manager. So what is the problem? Problem is not that what to buy, what to sell, but stick to the basic principles. So people can make a stock trading or investing very complicated. It's a very simple thing if you follow the basic principles. So again, we have a lot of discussion outside that someone was talking that what to do. I told them that what you should not do, that you should understand. What to do, everyone know. But what you should not do, that you should understand. And loss is only under your control, not profit. So that's a basic thing that we are trying to explore. So basically, we want to expand the community, that those who are not investing. Because everyone is focused as a like bank, you are also focused on those who are doing. As a brokerage also they are doing. We are focusing on what they are not doing. So there is a major audience, 98%, those who are not doing. So we want to educate little by little, and that
you guys are doing a great job, so congratulations.
You're evangelist of the get-rich philosophy.
Yes, of course. He's the fourth market expert.
All right, we'd like the experts to felicitate you, sir.
Thank you,
Prakash.
Thank you, sir.